everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous video we know that what is object-oriented programming system, programming style or synapses. So the definition clearly explained in the previous video. So you have to watch that information if you don't know about what is a OOP. So in this video we are going to talk about basic concepts of OOPs, or we can also call it as features of OOPs. Okay, so let us talk about features of OOPs. Encapsulation, and the second one is data abstraction. Third one is classes and objects. If you take any OOPs concepts, classes and objects are basic building blocks. And next one is comes under inheritance and polymorphism, and we have a concept of message passing, and sometimes we can also call it as message communication, and there is a feature is called dynamic binding. So these are the features of OOPs. Okay, so let us discuss each and every detail of each and every concept. Okay, so these are the features of OOPs. So let us talk in detail information about previous video. We know that what is the concept of OOPs, and we already studied about the definition. Okay, so if you don't know about that information, please watch that video, and let us talk about the very important topic comes under basic concepts of OOPs. So that is nothing but features. So what are the features of OOPs? If you take any programming language like C++ or Java language or Python language or any other language which is related to the OOPs, okay, so these concepts are common. So that is the reason it is called as programming fundamentals. OOPs are nothing but programming fundamentals. So let us talk about each and every concept in detail. We can call it as the first encapsulation. So what is encapsulation? So encapsulation is nothing but combine data plus methods, or we can also call it as code. So the combination of data and methods, we can call it as encapsulation. So encapsulation means, so let us take small example. If you take a C program, data is separate, so this is act as one module, and function is nothing but method, so method is other module. So we have two different categories, so we have to combine both in main. Okay, for example, a person is suffering from some kind of leg pain or head pain or headache. So at the same time the same person is suffering with the fever. So the person take the one kind of tab related to leg pain and one kind of tab related to fever. So he is going to be consuming the two tablets. If the same person is suffering with a lot of diseases at a time, okay, so try to consuming 10 to 15 tablets at a time, it is very difficult. So in place of that we have one kind of capsule. So this capsule is nothing but, this is the medicine of the leg pain or any pain from the body, and this is the medicine for the fever. Okay, so if you take this capsule, so this person feels very flexible, as well as there is no need to worry about remembering all kind of capsules and all. So just carrying only one capsule. So that is nothing but combination of pain one as well as combination of pain 2. So this both comes under the concept of encapsulation. So what I am saying to you, encapsulation is nothing but combination of data as well as methods. Okay, for example, let us take one example. So the example is like that: a person is going to the market, he is buying vegetables as well as groceries. So these vegetables are storing in one place and these groceries are storing in one other place. Assume that these vegetables are storing in the kitchen and these groceries are going to be storing in the hall, and a person want to do the cook, and while cooking the product, assume that these vegetables are like data and these groceries are like methods, and if the person want to do the cook, the person is looking for the vegetable, at the same time the person is looking for the grocery. Okay, so like for example, he want to make a one kind of dish, so he is going to be cut the vegetables and he is going to be adding some kind of groceries during the cooking. So while cooking this process, he is going to be visit the kitchen one time, hall one time. It is very difficult for us. Okay, so what I'm saying to you, if you do one kind of task in your kitchen or in your particular area, so all items combining together, that gives fast work. But one item is one place and other item is other place, it gives lot of confusion. At the same time you are feeling very inconvenient. Okay, so this kind of problem is occur during the procedure oriented approach. Okay, but while coming into that object oriented approach, it is both are same. The combination of or definition of the books, the wrapping of data as well as methods combining together in one area, that area we can call it as class. Okay, so if you go for the kitchen, all items like fridge, like vegetables and groceries and your tools and your requirement containers, all are combining in the one place. So that kind of kitchen we can call it as encapsulation. In the similar manner, in Java language is also the wrapping of data as well as the wrapping of method is in one area. That area we can call it as class. Okay, so I hope you can easily understand what is encapsulation. So encapsulation means combination of data plus program code, we can call it as encapsulation. Right? Okay, the major advantage is two or more. So already we discussed encapsulation, that everything is comes under class. So let us see class in the next definition. Two or more classes can contain the properties same. Assume that, so there is a person and there is a student and there is one more class like employee. So all are comes under classes. So here name contains some properties, student contains some properties, employee contains some properties. Okay, so the properties are same, means name is for the person, name is for the student, name is for the employee. Okay, so all are same here. So that is a major advantage. Two or more classes can contain the same properties. Okay, same properties. And the encapsulation is the wrapping of data and methods combining together act as a single unit. Okay, I hope you understand what is the concept of encapsulation. In the next video we are going to talk about what is data abstraction.